Hello, hello, my Luo people. Uri nini, Uri onari. Dirijot anarima be. Now, as always, as promised earlier on in the week, I did say that I'm going to do a part 2 of animals in Acholi or in the Acholi Luo, and I want you guys to tell me, what are those animals in your language? Now, the first video we sort of covered more of a domestic animals like dog, cat, sheep, goat, and maybe we did snake. Snake is not domestic, but it's domestic for some. Yeah, snakes, crocodile, and so on. Today we're just going to focus more on bigger animals. Now, I have 10 animals here, and I'm gonna teach you all of that in less than 3 minutes. So 10 animals. So most of those animals are big animals, and maybe 1 or 2 animals that are a little bit smaller as well. So let's do this. So first thing first, I'm going to start with the animal that represent the Acholi people. Now in this case, the animal that represent Acholi people is elephant. And elephant in Acholi we call it liech. Elephant, liech. Second animal, gorilla. Gorilla in Acholi is obim. Gorilla, obim. Gorilla. And then the next one up I have is monkey. Monkey in Acholi is ongero. Monkey, ongero, monkey. The next animal that I have here is lion. Now this depends on which Acholi you're from, whether you're Acholi of Uganda or Acholi of South Sudan. Now in this case, I am Acholi of South Sudan. In South Sudan, we grew up calling lion atunya. Lion atunya. Now of course we also have labuo. And I think Acholi of Uganda, mainly they use labuo. But I grew up calling it atunya, which is lion, atunya. Then after atunya, then we have giraffe. Giraffe, as I shared a video also earlier in the week, giraffe in Acholi is ri. Giraffe, ri. Giraffe. And then I have leopard. Leopard in Acholi is quach. Leopard, quach. Leopard. And then I have bird. And bird, of course, in Acholi, then we call it winyo. Bird, winyo, bird. And then the next thing up I have is fish. Fish in Acholi is wretch. Fish, wretch without the H, wretch. Fish. And then after that I have horse. Horse in Acholi is kana. Horse, kana, horse. And then the next animal is deer. So deer in Acholi is roda. Deer, roda, deer. So as always, guys, what are those 10 animals in your Luo language? So we have elephant, gorilla, monkey, lion, giraffe, leopard, bird, fish, horse, and deer. What do you call it in your Luo language?